Move your bomb buckler out. Security. Where? Sit here. See security there. Sit here. See her there. See her there. See security there. You can't sue me. You broke and hungry. You broke and hungry. You broke and hungry, no blood clot. You broke and hungry security. Where? Where got the security? You suck like a dog security. See security there? Yeah, you can't sir. Suck with security. Suck with security. You suck like a dog security. That is security. Security you suck with. You suck out like a dog security. That is security. You suck out like a dog. That is security. See her there? See the dirty girl there? See the dirty girl there? Come now, blood clot, come! Security, come! That is security, come! Big pussy, go! Live up your... Come here, don't tell me the security. Security! Allah ya tell security, go and that is security. Security! Allah ya blood clot tell security! Allah ya bomba clot tell! Allah ya bomba clot tell security! Allah ya tell no blood clot security! Allah ya bomba clot tell suck good girl! You stick no blood clot! Come here, out here, sir! Move your blood clot, that is security! You stick no pussy clot! Go run, girl! Run, girl! Come here, out here, sir! Move your blood clot, that is security, girl! Come suck out my hole! Come lick out my pussy! See there! Your bomber clot, yo! That is security! Come hit up my blood clot! Dirty girl! Come look! Hey, dirty girl! I never drop my blood clot wood! Dirty girl! I for some blood clot, so good! So good, a blood clot! Move your bomber clot, so good!
No people, this right? Me down on my yard and hear this bag of noise. When me come up here to blood clot, look what happen now? The blood clot root like a fight himself, tell me now. Kill himself with picking at the glass. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Tell me now. After me think a somebody up here I take out piece of board and knock down the place. Me come up and now if you come ask who up here. Can't find your house, you know. They put my phone and hear the knocking and think I the man I walk up here. A man a chop bamboo or something. Me come up here so now. Up at this blood clot house here. Cause I want all house, you know. Nobody no live in it. When me come up here and look, never fall a fight himself, could they? Tell me now. Tell me if this blood clot right. Tell me.
Can't tell them to forgive me. Sorry.
Come out with your angel. Hope the baby not like you. I make you know.
Where the chop?
A chip. Chip is a chop. When you chop, you get tons of up. A chip is a chip.
$100 chip.
No man, $350 a chip. It's over 1,000 at now. And then you do a CT scan, you come on.
Money.
How would they be out? Well, up at your body clothes. You don't let him, man. You don't man. Move that now.
Yeah.
Let go, man. Let go away. I know here. Let go close.
Your ear look good though.
Labor right. Collect your going in the green. Shower. Yeah. I don't know one beard still shower. Yeah.
Lift up the red chair. Up in her ear.
Like so.
Yeah, up by your head, over your head, over your head.
What made for?
Over your head.
You know what me, man?
Because me I make you hold up your stress.
Well,
Yeah, hold up your stress.
that's why I'm not good, you know.
Yeah, but you hold up your stress.
And can't go up no more, the left hand.
So hold up your stress. I
Can't
tell
go up
you.
anymore.
Yeah, tell me say you have one a problem. That's why me I give the chair to hold up your
The
stress.
left hand can't lift up no more.
Hold up your stress.
No, drop the chair now.
Hold up your
You
stress.
say one and a half, the left hand.
Me say hold up your stress.
Can't hold up no more, I'm gonna get tired because that.
Me no business about your stress. Hold up your stress.
Chair mash up. They say the hand can't
Me
hold
say
up.
hold up your stress. Hello?
The thing that come back, man.
Can't tell them to forgive me. Sorry.
Come out with your angel. Hope the baby not like you. I make you know.
Where the chop?
A chip. Chip is a chop. When you chop, you get tons of up. A chip is a chip.
$100 chip.
No man, very rich. 350 a trip. It's over 1,000 at now. And then you do a CT scan, you come up.
Money.
Money for my brain. How would you be out? Well, about your body clothes. We don't let him no man. You go man. Move that now.
Yeah.
You go away, man. You go away. I know here. Let go close.
Your ear look good though.
I labor right. Collect go in the green. Shower. Yeah. I don't know one beard still shower. Yeah.
Come there, son. Suck your man. Afraid I make you gone, pussy. Afraid I make you gone. But you're not wicked. You're not wicked.
Suck your man. Bumbuckler.
You're not wicked. You're not wicked, Jenna. Tell me to tell you that. You're not wicked.
Suck your man like a bad man.
Say me a bad man.
Batty boy.
Me a bad man. Pussy, you know, say me a bad man.
Bad man, the bumbuckler.
Of course, me a bad man.
We have a shoot. Batty boy.
A real killer murderer to Batty
You
boy.
can't suck him like people pray that you real suck your man. Go
Real
suck your bumbuckler, my Batty boy.
Real suck your man. Pussy. Suck your man. You real suck your man. You're not wicked. Boy, that me actually say you're not wicked. You're not wicked. Batty. Some not wicked.
You're bad man.
You know some wicked. Some not wicked. Right now I'm wicked.
Where you bad man?
I'm licking your face now, pussy.
Where you bad?
Yeah.
Which part of your bad?
Jenny, you know me wicked.
I smell, but go suck
Pussy,
your man.
suck back your man. You know some
Which
wicked.
part of your bad?
Yeah.
Which part of your bad?
Some of the bad.
Where you bad? Which part are you?
Some of the bad. That me not
Which
me
part are
bad.
you bad?
Some of the bad.
Which part are you bad?
Hey, you know some bad.
Which part are you?
Pussy,
You
you
just
know
say you
some
bad. Which
bad.
part are you?
Pay that, you know. See that?
They belching, you can't say sorry, you eat.
But then that, yes, the food, man, I buy food, you talk about me.
How you cook?
Curry, chicken, ma.
So how you cook that?
Oh, you mean, you cook curry
I know
chicken?
some
Like everything else.
Oh,
You boil the curry. You boil the curry.
you boil the curry like put water in a pot
Yeah,
and boil.
boil the curry.
You boil curry?
You boil, yeah, man, curry for boiling. You can't season up curry pan
You
thing.
burn the curry or you boil the curry?
We boil it in a water pan fire.
So you pour water in the pot.
You know the curry, yeah.
In the pot and then you pour the curry in there, make
I
it
make
boil.
it boil, yeah, boil curry for boil too.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
And then you do
take
it
the card
with the
bun
meat.
curry.
Hold on, and then when you do it, what you do with the
You
meat?
can't show the meat now. Fast I move, you know.
You just throw in the boiled water, you
Yeah,
just throw the
I want
meat.
to tell you, say chicken, man.
So you
Chicken
know,
neck.
so hold on, so you know stir fry it or none of that?
Stir fry. No, man, make you say that boil, man.
No, but you know stir fry it?
What do you mean by stir fry? What stir fry is?
Like
Stir
when,
it up with a boil?
not when it a boil, like you never put oil in the pot.
No oil. What does me the oil? Because the oil don't go in the very. No, me not remember
So
the
you
oil.
never put no oil in the
Season.
pot. So you season the water.
Salt and little seasoning salt.
The season salt and little season
Seasoning salt and salt.
alone
And cool it time.
and cool the time.
Me not have nothing more put it. Me not go
So you never
market it.
say you go market.
Yeah, but then the season is done.
So the
Them season is done.
So,
So from Sunday we go market today our Friday, you know. So we go market Sunday. We don't buy no bag of seasoning. And then season is done. Cook every day.
so basically a boiled curry you look about.
Which boy curry? A chicken neck too, and even chicken back, you know.
Boiled chicken neck.
Boil, you know.